On grade 12 analytical geometry. Yesterday we have seen 2 points. We have seen 2 points here, and I joined them. I joined them with a line, and I get the length. We find the length of this line AB using the distance formula. And more specifically, if you want to use, we apply Pythagoras theorem to find the Pythagoras theorem here to find the length of line AB, as we know that. Now, if what will happen if I move? What will happen if I move this point? The length will obviously change. Agreed? Length will obviously change. Now, what I'm going to do now here is that, observe very carefully. I'm going to fix this point A. I'm going to fix this point A. I'm going to fix this point A. And I'm only moving B. And I'm moving only B. You can see that, right? Now, what I'm going to do is that next one, I'm going to remove this. I don't want this point B, and I'm deleting it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a fixed length segment of a given length, say some 5 units, okay? So I'll get a straight line. Now what will happen? Now let's move this point. Now let's move this point B. Let's move this point B, right? What will happen? The point will move B, but the distance remains the same, which is equal to 5. Now what will happen? Observe very carefully. I'm moving this point B. Moving this point B. What will happen? Let's look at it once again. And you keep your guess, and let's see what is your guess is now. I'm going to make some changes in this diagram, and see. Now I'm moving B. Moving where is, let's see. I'm going to trace where the B is moving, right? I'm going to track, right, where your B is moving. So I'm going to track that. It's a tracker now, where B is moving. What we get? We get a circle. So now what is the distance AB? What is the distance AB here? We know distance AB is your distance AB. We all know what is distance AB. We know what is distance AB. So this is my center. I call them as A and B. My center, or I can call it as X of A and Y of A. And I can call this as X of B and Y of B. What's the distance AB? Is equal to radius. Agreed? So what is my radius now? My radius is XB minus XA, the whole squared, which is the distance. So I'm applying the distance formula actually now. YB minus YA, the whole squared, which is my radius. Now this B, if I fix this A, this B will change. This B will change. If I fix my B here, if I fix my A, B will change. So if I take the coordinates of B as XY, I take it as general XY, and I fix this one, and I fix this one here, and I fix this one. I'm fixing it. I don't move this, right? This is my center. So I call them as a center of the circle. That's my center of the circle. So if my center of the circle is XA, right, the whole squared, and Y minus YB, the whole squared, is equal to R squared. This is the general equation of a circle. We call them as general equation of a circle. I'm using another color pen so that you can understand very clearly what I'm talking about. X minus A. A is a center, plus Y. Don't confuse with this B, earlier B here. My center here is my center of the circle. Here my center of the circle is AB, and r is my radius. xy is any point on the circle. xy is any point on the circle. X minus a the whole squared plus y minus b the whole squared is equal to r squared. This is the equation of a circle. I'll discuss more about it in the coming video.